What's up? What's up? What's up? Live stream number 11. Let's do it. All right. Hoping for a super easy day today. But I'm always hoping for. If the dollar is moving in a predictable direction, it will be an easy day. Hopefully that is the case today. Oh, let me check the news too. Ooh, Wednesday, March 1st. What do we got? What's a bunch of stuff? Bunch of little stuff. Bunch of little stuff. I don't think any of this is super impactful. Nah. 130 is kind of heavy. Like a bunch of little news in a row. I don't really think I'm gonna worry too much about that. And I'll definitely be out of here by 1:30. So um that news is not heavy enough to like mess up a trade. Uh, so I'm looking around at the usual suspects. Odd NZD, shockingly enough, is still coming down. The Euro Swiss franc is still going up. Kind of shocked by that too. um, Cross pairs, I'm still not really messing with. At least they're moving. Who knows? Those might actually make a comeback. Uh, so far, yeah, so far it's not looking too decisive today. Not looking too decisive today. Yeah, I'm hoping by the time the session opens, things get moving. I have a better idea about what's going on because as of now, I don't see anything too stand out. Yeah, I don't see anything to stand out yet. But yeah, there is 17 minutes before the open. So that's a pretty decent amount of time. Things could definitely change in 17 minutes for sure. Yeah, I'm definitely seeing a lot of movement already. That's a good sign, even though it's not in like a particular direction. I don't know if the dollar would just keep dropping. Yeah, that might actually be what happens. Pretty big bars. I wouldn't count on it yet though. See a bit more confirmation for that. The weather is finally warming up. Oh my goodness. I am ready. Ready, ready, ready. Being on the heat. Victor, good morning. How's it going? Or night? Good something. You must be on the other side of the world, maybe. Oh, man. Yeah, the weather has been all over the place lately. I think that's kind of been everywhere. Heard it was like snowing in Los Angeles. Yeah. Yeah, you know what? The dollar might actually just come down for the whole session, which will make things really easy. That is the case. Still got 12 minutes before the open. So, one of my rules that I'm not a fan of sometimes is to not take any trades before the session open because it's typically not a good idea. Reversals are very possible at the session open, so it's kind of not advised to take trades like 10 minutes before the session, 5 minutes before the session. You can just end up getting swung out of your trade for no reason, losing a trade for no reason when you didn't have to. No one likes to lose money for no reason. Yeah, goal for today is really just like three reward. If I can get 5 reward, be really happy with that too. But I'd be cool with 3 today. I just want to see some nice solid trades. They're from Austria. Okay. You've been trading for a year. Started with Bitcoin. Okay, okay. Yeah, this whole worldwide sickness slash lockdowns slash Bitcoin rally has made a lot of new traders, including myself. That was actually right around the time I got started. I think I took my first Forex trade in September of 2019. Actually, no, that is when I took my first Forex trades. Got some solid strategies. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, it took a lot of experience. If you spend enough time in the market, you'll come up with something. Everyone's got their own different style of doing this. So I've actually met a couple full time traders in person, and even they have different styles than some of the people I've met online. Yeah, yeah, appreciate it, man. I'm still learning a bunch of stuff too. Uh, yeah, I've gotten to a pretty solid place here. I'm pretty confident with my skills now. It was not the case probably a year and a half ago. Definitely was not as confident as I am now. Good morning from Switzerland. Oh wow. Yeah, I got like a really international audience here. That's pretty cool. I'm guessing it is morning way over there. Yeah, so the dollar is just dropping, dropping, dropping. It probably will continue to drop. for the session, but like I said, I'm not gonna get into anything now. Bunch of heavy movement. Gotta wait for the open. That's just how it is. Nice to come in before, try to get an idea of what I'm gonna do. Look around, see if there's anything like really good. Like yesterday, I had the really easy trades. And it's looking like today is gonna be the really easy trades too, because the dollar is on the move. So that always makes for an easy day. Oh, it's 9 a.m. over there? Man. Yeah. If I lived on that side of the world, I'd have like a regular schedule. Said I got this vampire schedule, but I've always had a vampire schedule, so I'm used to it. Embrace the vampire. Get into it. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Wow. Oh, okay. Maybe the. What up? How am I up so late? I shouldn't be. I really shouldn't be. I should not be up this late. I enjoy trading so much. I'll deprive myself of sleep to do it. Gotta make some real money. These companies don't want to pay anyone, so I gotta come here and make it myself. And the yen pairs are on the move too. Okay, it's a bunch of stuff happening today. Jeez, everything is on the move today. Even the cross pairs are moving. Yeah, yeah. The London session is definitely my favorite. That's the session I've traded the most since starting. But the New York session is actually better. The New York session is the better session of the two. But I not trying to wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm just not. It's not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'd rather stay up late than wake up super early. There's so many things moving. I don't even know what to take a trade on. Should have bought some candy. All right. Got 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 2.5 minutes. Where this party gets started. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna get into today as far as pairs. There's a bunch of stuff. I'll just have to pick one, really. Frank's probably a good short at some point. Uh, dollar pairs are looking like a good long. Uh, might actually go long here. This might be the first one, but yeah, I think I'm gonna go long on the GU maybe. Got a minute and 30 seconds. Right. Problem is this though. I got this one up pretty heavy. Going up into a level. I don't know what to do with this pair in particular. I might actually trade the odd and the NZD instead. Okay. 60 seconds. A little tempted to go long here. A little bit. It's got a nice drop down. 30 seconds. Am I gonna do it? Am I gonna do it? I think so. Um, okay, I'm gonna have to wait. All right, here's the open. Okay. I'm gonna buy this here. Okay. Gonna wait a little bit and right now. Yep. I'm just gonna go for 2 reward on. So I doubled up on the stop. So it's showing as just one. Give it some space. I really highly doubt it's gonna come all the way down here. Yeah, the dollar has dropped so heavily. that it should continue going down. So that should be nice, easy to reward right there. Hopefully. Wow. And we got this. Okay. So I might take a trade here too on the Euro GBP. Old Faithful. Yeah, I'm okay with just making two reward, but there's so much movement today. I can definitely get another trade too. Gotta decide which one really. So much stuff going on. Yeah, this one I want to see it come back up a little bit. Or put in like some consolidation bars. But that should be a pretty solid short trade in a little bit. Definitely not going to touch it on this big giant bar. And see what it ends up doing. I gotta buy some more candy. I ran out. Wanted some cinnamon bears and they didn't have them at the store. Yeah, since the Euro GBP is coming down so hard, it's gonna make this trade go by even faster. Dollar index. Nah, it to me it looks like it's coming down, but it's just not. It's not gonna go straight down like right now. It might come up a little bit and then go down. Yeah, I think the dollar's coming down today. That's my guess. If I'm right, this trade will go through pretty quick, probably in like 20 minutes. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna have to reform my whole strategy because that's kind of what I was banking on. But I'll be able to get something today for sure. Still got some really heavy movement here. I don't know what to do with this one. You talking about the dollar, Victor? How much it can rise? Okay. Yeah, I think it's too early to short this right now. But yeah, at some point, I think I'm gonna short this too. Probably in the next like 20 minutes. Yeah, the dollar can do some interesting things. Don't align with the what's actually happening. You get used to it. It's still these are still my favorite pairs. I just like that the spreads are short. Spreads are small. Makes it really easy to scalp. Unlike the cross pairs, got those big chunky spreads. It makes things difficult sometimes. Yeah, that's my guess. Dollar continues down at some point in the next 10, 20 minutes. Euro GBP should also come down next 10, 20 minutes, which means this will go up. Get a nice easy two reward. Either win two or lose two. Okay, I'm gonna leave the stop down there. Just give it some room. It looks like the U franc is coming down too, but I don't like the pattern, so I'm gonna skip that one. Yeah, yeah. This Euro GBP should come down, but give it some time. Looks like I got this two here. Happy with that. Hopefully. All right. Looking pretty good. Yeah, this big red bar here, and it's at this level. It's not like a super good. Yeah, it's not good enough to sell it yet, but it's getting there. But it's definitely giving this trade some more power upwards, because if the euro is coming down, means the pound is going up. So it helped this trade power through. Yeah, it's. I really probably could move this to 3 reward. I don't know if I want to be that greedy. I think I'll just take the 2. I'm okay with. I'm confident with it going 2 reward for sure. 3 reward might be kind of pushing it. Yeah, you want to go for 3 reward as much as possible, but there are times when like this where 2 is the safer choice, even though it probably will go 3 anyway. There's also a good short on the UCAD right here. That was a good short trade too. But I'm already in the GBP, so I didn't want to take 2 trades on the same group of pairs. The dollar is at like a. Gotta get it to break through here. If it breaks through there, it's gonna just keep going. I should probably just move it up to 3, really. See what that looks. Nah, I'm gonna leave it at 2. I think I might end up moving it. We'll see. Yeah, it could reverse. Uh, I don't think it's gonna reverse, but it could. And this would be the spot for it to do that. Hopefully, my trade will go through first before it does that. I'm gonna grab another water. I'll be right back. Okay. Road has been killing me. These weather changes, the vaping. Dust storms. Do I work on the side? Yeah, you have a day job. Got a little side hustle. I got this. I don't know. I got like 4 different things I'm doing for income right now. Everything is so expensive, and I refuse to live on the street. So I'm just gonna, I'll do whatever I gotta do. Pay the rent. I like this place. I don't want to like have to go and get some, move somewhere else and all that. I'll just pay this, even though they raised my rent pretty significantly. Oh shit. Let's see, is it gonna reverse on me? Do I have snowstorms? Now I live in the desert right now, so although it has snowed in the last 2 weeks, definitely not normal. Nah, it's usually pretty hot, so it pretty should be getting up there in the next 2 weeks. You see that you're in Austria? I'm sure it snows over there. I've never been there, but that's what I'm picturing in my head. Yeah, I gotta quit vaping eventually. Okay, okay. Yeah, that's my goal, is to have at least have a full-time income with Forex for or within the next couple of months. But I'll probably keep all my other stuff going too. I just like to make sure my bills are paid completely. I don't want to leave it up to chance. Who knows what'll happen in the next couple months. Oh man, me too. I stopped smoking cigarettes a while ago. I can't even remember last cigarette that I smoked, but now I'm hooked on the vape. So I think this is a step in the right direction, but I still need to quit this too. But I feel if I quit before I'm ready, then it's just gonna go into something else. I'll start eating or something. All that energy is gonna go somewhere. So I'll just stick with this for now. This is not too bad. It does mess up my throat a little bit, but it's better than real cigarettes. On days like this, I don't sleep a lot at all. Like today, I just took a little nap before this stream, maybe like 2 hour nap, and then I'll sleep for like another maybe 4 hours after this is over. So not much on days like this where I have to wake up early. Okay, so the dollar is like not dropping through here. It's also not going back up yet either, so I think I'm still good. I think I should still be okay here. This is starting to come up too. That's why I didn't short it earlier. I just don't think it's ready yet, but yeah, give this some time. I think this will be a good short at some point. At some point here. Yeah, I've got a strategic combination of of caffeine pills, sleep pills, vitamins. Somehow able to get through all this. Monday's my crazy day. That's the day where I'm up for 21 hours straight. But other than that, my week is not too hard. But yeah, Monday, I call it Marathon Monday. That's what it feels like. Okay, dollar's dropping through now. So that means this should probably just keep going. Yep. Okay. I could move this to 3 reward. I don't know to do that. I think I'll take the 2 and just be okay with the 2. Yeah, I just wanted to warm up outside. I'm so tired of wearing hoodies and jackets and layers. I just wanted to be nice and warm, walk outside. No jacket, pair of shorts. Oh, the prices of groceries in Austria rose about 30%. Yeah, it's like that here. I don't know the percentage, but everything at the grocery store is way more than it used to be. Like little stuff. I used to go in the grocery store and just throw it in the bag, not even looking at the prices. Now I'm like analyzing everything because it's a little bit out of control. Yeah, prices definitely went up. Gas went up. My rent went up. Everything went up like a little bit. Actually, no, gas has doubled in the last 3 years, at least where I'm at. I didn't expect for this trade to take this long. I thought it would be done already. At least your rent didn't go up. You better be happy. They raised my rent by a lot. Pretty pissed off, but I was too lazy to move, so I just went ahead and signed it. I was like, all right, here you go. I hate moving. I'm not trying to pack all this stuff up. um, hmm. Okay. See if we get some a good sell pattern here. Still waiting on that. This trade, I'm still pretty confident in. Might take forever. It should have already went through, in my opinion, but yes, I can't deal with everything. I say that multiple times throughout the day. I do a lot. I can't do everything. All right, here we go. This trade will finally go through. Okay. I'll be right back. 1 second. Oh, this trade still hasn't gone through. Ugh. Hmm. Those are my sleeping pills. And then in about 5 hours, I'm going to take a caffeine pill. Man. Yeah, this trade should have been went through. I don't know what's going on. It's taking forever. Looks like the Euro GBP is almost ready to short too. Okay. Okay. Might go short here too. I don't know if I want to do it yet. Might be a little bit early. But I've got my eye on it for sure. Okay. Actually, yeah, I think I will go short on the EGVP too. Go ahead and jump. Seems decent. Not great. Good. Kind of iffy on that one. Nah, I'll wait. If I miss it, it's okay. I don't want to lose a trade for no reason, especially because this is only 2 reward. So if I get 2 and then lose 1, I'm down to just 1, and that's not so good. I'd really just be okay with two. That might end up being what happens. The yens are coming down pretty heavy too. I don't think I'm jumping in those. Not today. Yeah. Yeah, I spend a lot of time in the gym. That's my little hobby. I was in there for 3 hours on Sunday. All right. Zero GBP. Not yet. Oh. Yeah, I don't see this trade failing. I just don't see it. I don't see it. I believe it should go through. I believe it already should have went through. Okay. Mm, yeah. Okay. I'll hop in here now. Zero GBP. Oh. Well. Ah, okay. Still not yet. Nope. Never mind. Ah. Am I gonna get swung out? Possible. Yeah, you're right about that. If it does fail, it will go through later. It'll be another entry later on. Might still be okay. Definitely might still be okay here. We'll see. uh, I wouldn't call that a head and shoulders. It's like a. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, yeah. It should continue down. I don't see this going back up. Yeah, I don't think the dollar index is coming back up. I think it's going to continue down. It just might take a minute, but it should definitely continue down. That is my prediction. This one is probably going to come down to. I just have to wait for it. This was messing my trade up. I was thinking this would have been coming down already. I knew it was going to take some time though. You could even take another long trade here on this one at the 21. I don't think I'm going to do that. Actually, I might do that. I'm too lazy to do analysis on another trade, so I might just double up on this one and end up just getting 4 reward. I don't think I'm going to have time to wait for the Euro GBP. So I might just double up on this one here. Just see what happens. Oh man. See, this is messing me up right here. Making my trade go down. Yeah, hopefully this doesn't fail here. Let's have 2 risk on it. That'd be down 2. Another possible short over here. Might get into that one. I think I will. Okay, took a quick short here. Off the EMA. And I got a tight enough stop loss to where I was able to go for 3. Right. So we got 2 pretty solid trades, I think. If they both go through, I'll be up 5. Yeah, since I got this trade now, there's no reason to double up. I like to get between 3 to 5, 3 to 5 reward per day is what I go for. I'm okay with 2 if that's all that happens, but really want to get at least 3. So I'm always keeping my eye out just to see if anything pops up like this one here. Pretty easy, quick trade, hopefully. So the Euro GBP is going up, which is making my GBP USD trade stall. But I still think the dollar is coming down, so it might just take longer, but it should go through. I think both of these will go through. Be a nice 5-hour day. The 200 is good for the hourly, the 4-hour, and the daily charts. It should tell you whether you're in an uptrend or a downtrend. So if you're above the 200, chances are you're in an uptrend. If you're below it, chances are you're in a downtrend. And it's just like a good point of reference. I think that's kind of the thing with EMAs. It's just a good like reference point so you can tell what's going on. It doesn't really matter what EMAs you use. Whichever set you decide to go with, it's up to you. I might even get 3 good trades today. That Euro GBP starts coming down, I'm gonna get in that too. Oh yeah, dollar. I would say definitely is coming down. So easy day, I think, so far. Yeah, yeah. I don't use the. I used to use the 50 EMA. I've used a bunch of different EMAs over the years, but now I use the 8, 21, and 200. And I've stuck with that for probably at least year and a half, maybe even longer. Like I said, it really doesn't matter what EMAs you use. I'll just keep them consistent so that you know what to look for. Yeah, this trade here, this USD Swiss franc, I could probably go for even more, like 4 reward or 5 reward, or just let it run. I'll just take the 3. Mm. Oh shit. All right, we got this too. Start of a reversal. Not ready yet, but it's getting there. This looks like it's gonna be a quick trade. Yeah. Yeah, I like this pair. I used to not trade this pair. I was like scared of it. I was scared of the Swiss franc. Alrighty. Is that a 15-minute 3R? That's crazy. Oh, okay. You mean so? I almost looked at my MT4 like I bought that. Yeah, no, it went through. It took like 5 hours, but yeah, it went through. It did exactly what I thought it would do. It went back up, almost hit my stop loss, and then finally came back down 5 hours later. And yeah, it did go through for 3R. And this one here looks like another 3R. Yeah, I've had some fast trades. This was a quick one. Yeah, it was pretty it was pretty tight, but yeah, like I said, it did exactly what I thought it would do. I kind of sort of know what I'm doing. I'm kidding. No, I make mistakes here and there, but I think mostly I got it figured out. Trying to get that beamer. You know what I'm saying? Oh, wait, did it go through? Oh, oh, that would be the worst thing ever if this trade flipped on me. I don't think that's gonna happen. Okay. Well, my original trade is looking pretty good too. So yeah, I think I got a nice 5 reward for today. As long as this goes through. Nah, it's not gonna. I probably should set the stop to break even, but I'm not gonna do that. Yeah. Yeah, you know what I've noticed is it usually ends up going through. Sometimes it just takes a little bit longer than you originally planned. But I've my new thing is I just let the trade run. And whatever happens, happens. Like that one from yesterday, had I exited early, I'd have missed all the extra reward from it. It just took 5 hours, that's all. This one shouldn't take 5 hours, but yeah, if you're taking profit early all the time, you're missing out on like half your profits. So he's gotta, I don't know. I've started just letting them run no matter what. If it fails, it fails. And it hurts, but usually they go through. Now I'll be pretty pissed off if it fails. Not gonna lie. Stop it. Hashtag stop it. Oh, okay. Uh, Still don't want to sell this one yet. It's getting there. I'm not gonna do it yet. Mm. Yeah, that would be a really unlikely place for it to go back up. It should come down. Okay. All right. That looks a little better. Man. Oh wow. This is still coming down? Goodness. London Open. Uh, I didn't even check the volume. I do forget to check the volume at times. Yeah, yeah, I'll continue doing live streams. It doesn't take a lot of effort on my part. I am gonna have to spice these up eventually, but I don't have to like do a whole lot to put these together. So gives me some accountability with my trading. I'm trading a lot better since doing these. Um, yeah, yeah, I'll continue to do these. Yeah, dollar, it's gonna, it'll probably just flop around for a little bit before it finally just comes crashing down. That's my guess. So who knows how long that GU trade is gonna take? This trade right here is definitely playing my emotions. It should go even way further than where I have my take profit. Oh shit, hold on. Okay. All right. This one. Uh no, I'm still not convinced on the sell on this one yet. Not yet. Oh, all right. Yeah, 130 is when I'm gonna get out of here, if not sooner than that. Definitely not gonna go past that. Gotta head to the bed soon. I'd like to see this trade go through. I'm getting better about letting trades run while I sleep. I used to be super paranoid about it and be looking at my phone every 2 seconds. I might even extend this one to 4 reward. But if I lose it from like, what is that, 1 pip? Not even one. I don't. 0.5 pips, half of a pip. I'll be pretty mad. I will be pretty mad. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie to you. Mm. Stop playing with me, Forex gods. Drop it low. Drop it low. Mm. Yeah, this trade could end up taking forever. Uh, for no reason. 0.5 pips. Yeah, no, it's definitely gonna go down. It's even a double top on the hourly. It would probably, honestly, I probably could just stay in the trade really, and just let it run for like a day. But I don't like to do that. It should go through. Yeah, it should be fine. Yeah, Yeah, the U franc doesn't follow the dollar index as closely as the other major pairs do, but it does affect it a little bit. Euro GBP, you could set a sell stop like here. I wouldn't just sell it market order. You could put a sell stop there. You could do it like that. And if it goes underneath it, it'll just open the trade for you automatically. That's how I would do it right now. I wouldn't, yeah, it's not ready yet. Okay. All right. Dollar index coming up to the 21 EMA on the 5 minute. So it should start to come back down somewhere in here. Oh. Oh, terrible. If I end up losing this trade and then it ends up going through right after. All right. Well, I got 8 minutes before I'm going to pack it up. So we'll see what happens. Now just let them run as usual. Okay. Yeah, I don't think the dollar's going to go back up right now. It could. But that's not what it looks like to me. It should probably just continue down. I would like to see this one go through before I go to sleep. Okay. It's looking a lot better. Right. 5 minutes. Yeah, I might actually set that sell stop on the Euro GBP too. Keeping an eye on it. Um, so yeah, if this goes through, my first trade goes through, and I get that Euro GBP sell, it'll be a 7 hour day, which is super good. Two good days in a row. You usually don't see two heavy dollar days in a row. Usually the dollar move heavy one day, and then kind of chill the next day, and then resume the next day, the following day. Okay. Almost there. Yeah. Yeah, I wasn't able to sleep with open trades before. Um, remember, I'm in my third year now, so this is very normal to me to be trading. So it feels very, I don't know if familiar is the right word. Yeah, experience. There it is. I have enough experience to know what's going to happen most of the time. So I don't get worried about it anymore. And yeah. So let's say I lose both of these trades. I only be down, well, I actually be down three because my first trade I doubled up on the stop loss. So I'd be down three. That's not that bad. And I can make that up in one trade. So even if you do like have some mistakes here and there, you usually cover them pretty quickly. Like I said, I go for like 10 reward per week. If I can get 10 reward a week, I'm happy with that. So yeah, just keep your losses at a minimum. And the losses you do have, you just want to you don't want one day to like wipe out your account. So just keep it like 1% risk, 0.1% risk, whatever you're doing. Keep it low risk. And that way when you do lose, it doesn't really matter too much because you make up the loss on your next win. So, just pick really high quality trades. Wait for really good opportunities. Sometimes you'll miss some, but you know, it's better to miss a trade than to lose money. And there's always trades happening. So, there will be another one. All that said, I'll be really pissed off if I lose both of these, especially this one. That's the danger of taking two different trades on the same group of pairs, because the dollar pairs do kind of move the same. There's some news. There is some news coming up, isn't there? Yeah, there's some news at 2. Actually, there's some news right now. 1:30. It didn't really do anything. Yeah, it didn't make any difference. And then 7 o'clock. So in like that 5.5 hours, 6.5 hours, there's some heavy news coming. Oh my god. No. I might double this stop too, just in case. I really see. All right, I'm gonna double this stop too. And I might even move the take profit down. Get one more. Yeah, I won't be able to sleep very well with this particular trade open. Let's see. Am I still in my other trade? Yep. Okay. Okay. Don't know if it's gonna go through anytime soon, so I might just have to run. It's gracious. Okay. Um, I'm gonna let these run. I gotta go to sleep. So as of now, I'm in this trade here, short. I got this long trade here. I was thinking about setting a sell stop here. I don't think I'm going to. It's not good. Nah. I don't think it's good enough. So I'll skip that one. This one might just take forever. And that's fine. I did double the stop just in case. And yeah. Yep. I'll call it a day there. Good stream. It was good talking to you guys. Glad you guys are enjoying the streams. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow at 11:30. Later.